The initial evaluation of a patient with a potential cardiovascular disorder is a critical process that forms the bedrock of an accurate diagnosis and an effective management plan for the patient. This module outlines the systematic framework for this assessment, focusing on two indispensable pillars: a comprehensive patient history and a thorough physical examination to provide essential context for interpreting various clinical symptoms. A meticulous patient history is the cornerstone of cardiovascular diagnosis and cannot be replaced by technology. It begins with a thorough systems review, as cardiac disease often manifests with symptoms in other organs. For example, dyspnea or shortness of breath might seem like a pulmonary issue, but is a classic symptom of heart failure. Similarly, indigestion can be a sign of gastrointestinal distress or myocardial ischemia. A detailed family history is equally vital because many significant cardiac disorders have a heritable basis. Identifying genetic predispositions allows clinicians to perform effective risk stratification for patients who may be at risk. Common heritable conditions include coronary artery disease, systemic hypertension, and hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Valvular diseases, such as a bicuspid aortic valve or mitral valve prolapse, also require careful investigation into the patient's lineage. Serious cardiac symptoms requiring immediate investigation include chest pain, profound weakness, palpitations, and syncopal episodes. Because these symptoms are often nonspecific, a comprehensive evaluation is necessary to differentiate cardiac from noncardiac causes. Complementing the history is the physical examination, which remains a powerful, cost-effective, and readily available diagnostic tool. It can be repeated as needed to track clinical status without logistical constraints or high costs. Traditional instruments like the sphygmomanometer for blood pressure and the stethoscope for cardiac auscultation are fundamental. They allow for the direct assessment of hemodynamic status and the detection of abnormal heart sounds. Through auscultation, clinicians can identify critical diagnostic markers such as murmurs, gallops, or other abnormal sounds. These physical findings help validate the historical data gathered earlier and refine the potential differential diagnosis. Modern practice enhances the physical exam with point-of-care ultrasound, or POCUS. Performed at the bedside, POCUS serves as a direct extension of the exam, providing immediate, real-time visual data on cardiac structure. POCUS allows clinicians to assess contractility and detect pericardial effusions instantly. By integrating anatomical and physiological information directly into the initial assessment, it provides a clearer picture of the patient's immediate condition. The initial assessment is a synergistic process where the patient's narrative guides the physical examination. These findings then dictate the logical and efficient use of more complex, non-invasive, and invasive cardiac testing. Mastery of this foundational approach is essential for any clinician. By synthesizing history and physical findings, you create a robust clinical foundation for the effective management and care of cardiovascular disease patients.